Weljan Mindoro versus Elias Espadas ng Mexico. Bugbog mga kaibigan, kawawa!
And now, ladies and gentlemen, it's time to fight for the title. Introducing to you first, fighting out of the black corner, weighing in at 74.65 kilograms. He comes to the ring unbeaten and with a 100% knockout ratio. It's the Trigger Man! Welcome, Mindoro!
Here is Elias Espada!
Laban ng Pilipinas versus Mexico. Si Elias Espadas, ang isa sa pinakamatinding Meksikano, ay lalabanan ang ating pambato na si Weljan Mindoro. Pero sa aking pananaw, knockout lang din ang sasapitin nito dahil ang lahat ng nakalaban ni Weljan Mindoro ay natulog sa kanyang kamao. Undefeated, 100% knockout power ratio na kayang tumapat kay Pacquiao sa kanyang estilo. Lahat ng kalaban ay bumagsak sa kanyang kamao dahil kahit si Terence Crawford ay kayang pabagsakin ng ating boksingero.
Kamayaskis goes forward, and Bud Crawford was hurt. Bud Crawford was hurt.
Ang pagbagsak ni Terence Bud Crawford sa kamao ng pinakamalaki
Close your eyes and hit the big right hand and down. Right hand. This is over.
Respect, the referee wiped the gloves clean and he's walked onto a shot which was an uppercut which sends Camilleri to the canvas.
nahang 3 division undisputed champion. Si Terence Crawford na ngayon ang pinakamalakas na boksingero sa buong mundo. Pagkalooban ng Diyos ng tanong bagsak si Crawford sa ating pambato. Lahat ng nakalaban ni Weljan na ito para maging mahusay na boksingero. Dala na rin ang hirap ng buhay ay maaga itong nagtrabaho, kaya mabibigat na pagsasaka at contraction sa probinsya ang naging hanap buhay niya. Pinasok niya lahat upang makatulong sa pamilya hanggang makuha na siya ng MP promotion at pinalaban sa Amerika. At may mga namutla na paiyak na wasak ang bodega sa sobrang lakas ng bagito nating bida. Araw ng Biyernes, July 28 taong 2023, sa Philippine Games and Amusement Board, Rizal, Laguna, ay napalaban ng ating pambato sa pinakamatangkad na Hapon na boksingero. 6-footer ito na may matindi ring kamao na si Mau Tameda. Pero round 1 lang talaga ang inabot niya sa bagito nating bida. Kahit gaano katangkad ang Hapon na boksingero ay binugbog at kinawawa siya ng ating pambato. Dito natin makikita kung gaano katindi si Weljan Mindoro.
Sa middleweight division. Nice 1-2 by Mindoro. Ang walang nice body by Mindoro. Pumasok din rin yung overhand ni Tameda.
Mindoro against the ropes pero ang aming counter punch ito pinapakawalan.
Makaraan lang ang 1 minuto mga bay ay pinakitaan na tayo ni Mindoro kung paano pabagsakin ang matangkad na kalaban.
Oh! Nice 1-2 by Mindoro! Kami next now! Kami next now! Yes!
Sa pagbabalik ng laban ay halos hindi pa nga nakaka-recover itong Hapon at mas lalo nga nitong ninamnam ang umaapoy at umuusok na mga kombinasyon ng Pinoy.
To each other.
Mindoro looking to end the fight agad ha.
Nice body by Mindoro. Follow by your uppercut. Oh! What a right by Mindoro!
Dahil sa husay ng ating pambato, kinuha na siya ng MP promotion para ipalaban sa Amerika at dito lalong nahasa at naging halimaw ang ating bida. Ang kanyang natural na lakas ng kamao ay lalong naging malakas dahil sa mga pagsasanay na itinuro sa kanya ng mga profesional na boksingero at dahil sa sipag ng ating pambato, naging complete fighter na si Weljan Mindoro. Taon ng Miyerkules, July 10 taong 2024 sa Probox TV Event Center, Plan City, Florida, nagganap ang kauna-unahang laban sa Amerika ng bagito nating bida. Boksingero ng United Kingdom, si Tyler Goodjan ay ang former bare knuckle champion sa United Kingdom. Kilalang di umayaw at napaka-brutal na kalaban kaya medyo alanganing manalo ang ating kababayan. Pero katulad ng ibang boksingero, round 2 lang pala ang itinagal niya sa laban. Round number 1, walking bordado ang kalaban. Gulat talaga at kinalabutan ng mga Amerikano dahil sa napakatinding ginawa ng ating pambato. Araw naman ng Sabado, November 9 taong 2024 sa Osceola Heritage Park, Kissimmee, Florida ay muling napalaban ang ating bida. Kinaharap niya rito ang isang napakatangkad na knockout artist ng Brazil na si Lucas de Abreu. Ang boksingerong ito ay may solidong kamao at may record na 14 na panalo at 11 sa mga ito ay kanyang pinatulog sa ibabaw ng lona kaya medyo tagilid na naman dito ang bagito nating bida. Pero magugulat ang lahat ng mga Amerikano dahil 3 round lang ang itatagal ng kanilang pambato kontra kay Weljan Mindoro. Sa round number 1, nakikipagsabayan pa dito ang Brazilian na kalaban pero kahit na matangkad dito ay unti-unti na siyang na-overpower ng ating kababayan.
It does take punching pretty well, big punchers. So now we're talking about this off-air. Duro kind of reminds us of Lester Martinez. Stock is built like you know what, how he is. Yeah, a little more, very, very similar in terms of his style. He bangs things up, can be lured into, making those mistakes. He's too trigger happy. He kind of work his way through this, maybe just overall, 120 amateur fights at a good level in Brazil. Another Fight Box TV. Rare later in reach and amateur pedigree, like we said, you can to find who's in that fight. Tough dude, British guy, pretty basic. Makes him fun, but yeah, also makes him very close. Fighter from Brazil, still in it.
Sa pagpasok ng round number 2, pagdaan ng maladiwatang ringer ay biglang nag-init ang dugo ng ating boksingero at napabagsak niya dito ng 2 beses ang kalabang Brasiliano.
Difficulties in combat sports. Pacquiao was actually, victim of some head clashes. Just finished his era. I'll be Chris. Fernando. So yes, I agree with you. You see a lot of guys mimicking that style, getting over those skis quite a bit. Good right hand. Hold that lead in. Numbers in here, Teddy Atlas. See, close your eyes and hit the guy. Oh! Big right hand and down. Very smart. Oh, couple extra seconds. Mindoro trying to swarm another knockdown.
Na-save by the bell pa ang kalaban pero halatang halata dito na di na niya kayang lumaban.
By the bell in round number 2. That looked like a brain. His brain was laughing.
Sa round number 3, dito natatapusin ng ating boksingero ang paghihirap ng kalaban nito. Isang napakatinding brutal knockout na pagkatalo ang sasapitin ng Brazilian na boksingero. Nito lang araw ng Biyernes, December 6 taong 2024 sa United Arab Emirates, Dubai ay muling dumayo ang ating pambato. Makakaharap niya rito ang knockout artist ng bansang Australia na si Joel Camilleri. Pero katulad ng ibang boksingero, round number 4 lang din ang itatagal nito sa ating pambato. Si Joel Camilleri ay ang nagpahirap kay Team Taiso, isang mahusay na boksingero pero hindi rin siya umubra sa lakas ng ating pambato. pambato. Manunood sa laban na ito ang karamihan sa pinakamalalakas na boxer sa mundo, si Terence Crawford, Dimitri Bivol, Arthur Beterbiev at Manny Pacquiao, kaya nagpakitang gilas talaga ang ating boksingero. Round number 1, nagtansyahan ng dalawang boksingero pero lamang kaagad dito ang lakas ng ating pambato.
The black trying to trim with gold. Introduced the KO of the year candidate Highland John getting him out of danger soon. The rest of Shields, of course. Mindoro, a straightened figure, and then start looking for the man from Melbourne. Sydney to manage the Costa Zoo. Smooth into that this year. Right cross, left up, left hook to the body. Left hook on the inside, landed by Camilleri. That the right hand and left hand wandering around his corner kneecap. His man back across the ring. Remember, both men getting an identical. 7 laterally from left and right. It's Camilleri. John Mindoro to pin him against the ropes, bring him square in him. He'd get the power driving right cross. Another couple of punches to the body. Left hook after turning the table, landed by Camilleri. Competitive opening round of boxing.
Sa round number 2, hindi rin basta-basta ang lakas ng kalaban at nakipagsabayan siya sa ating kababayan.
Right hand to the body, followed by left hook upstairs from Camilleri, but then Mindoro backing his man across the ropes with a forward foray, but keeping his composure under fire and answering with a single was Camilleri. Together with a right uppercut. Pulling the trigger first against the trigger man is Camilleri. Now backing him up, continuing to be, oh, what a beautiful left jab by Mindoro. From around the kneecap, just cracked right into his face to disrupt his forward movement. Beautiful shot with that lead left from Camilleri. Camilleri goes by the nickname of Kamakeo 14. Camilleri, figure up in the boxing ring as he circumnavigates, his back skimming against the ropes. Turns the table. Mindoro made his man miss Larry. Just give you the impression that he's controlling the tempo and he's setting the tempo.
Round number 3, malakas talaga ang kalaban at pinahirapan din si Kabayan, pero ibang klase po ang ating pambato dahil binaliwala niya ang mga suntok ng Australiano.
He's pinned in his own corner is Camilleri. Keen to try and fashion a clinch, but then just, oh, beautiful two-shot salvo to the body from Mindoro. Perhaps his best punches and got real leverage onto his shots. But now it's Camilleri walking down the knockout artist, and he's teeing away to the body before cuffing away with a right hook to the Asian Continental title at 75 kilograms. But sometimes the puncher's instinct can be to just dig away harder. And even though they say them to this point, having made his debut in 2019, Camilleri with a cuffing right hand and then tying his man up, supports him back, offering the half cover guard. There he finds an overhand right and left, 12 fist sticometer as he glides around the perimeter of the ring. Camilleri, Mindoro. Again, when Andy and I were observing him work out at the Rocky Road Gym, as a flashing left-right combination catches the advancing Mindoro from Camilleri. Walked his man down, but Camilleri landing with the inside of the glove, and then an altogether cleaner right hand, and another one from Camilleri, followed by left hook, boxing beautifully off the ropes as Mindoro tries to respond with a right uppercut of his own, but he's walked back across the ring by Camilleri to smother the man from the Philippines, looking for a right hand off the back foot, and a very clever display once again.
Dito sa round number 4, tatapusin na ni Kabayan ang paghihirap ng kalaban. Sobrang lalakas ng kamao ang pinakawalan ng ating boksingero. Ilang beses binalangang nakatayo ang kalaban, kaya walang nang nagawa dito ang referee at itinigil na ang laban.
Back to the ropes and lands with a right cross. Clever boxing out of the corner from Camilleri, who's remained responsible. But now he's beginning to be teed off upon by Mindoro. Is this a stoppage? No, it's a standing count. So, ref against Camilleri. Oh, that's a beautiful right hand on the resumption. But now Mindoro has got his man going, and he's seeking to demonstrate that he is a precise and merciless finisher once again. It's an awful long time to negotiate. Beautiful left hook, but then a right-handed response from Camilleri. But Mindoro really is finding the range on his punches now and wearing all of them flush. Here's Camilleri. He's endured it far. He's taken a standing count. Back into the breach. Steps Mindoro. Senses that he's got his man going. His referee for respite. The referee wipes the gloves clean. And he's walked onto a shot which was with an uppercut, which sends Camilleri to the canvas to take the second count of the light Mindoro. That could well be a long 90 seconds. Camilleri on the ropes above our commentary position, bobbing and weaving, trying to hold up, but he's taken a right uppercut, and the towel has come in from Dino Billinghurst.
Napahanga lahat ng pinakasikat na boksingero ngayong era sa galing ng ating bida na posible talagang humilera sa pinakamagagaling na boksingero ng Amerika. Araw naman ng Sabado, June 7 taong 2025 sa Boeing Center, Techport, San Antonio, Texas ay muling dumayo ang ating boksingero. Makakaharap niya rin at body shot. Parang Mike Tyson yung galawan na yun. Ulang araw ng Biyernes, August 15 taong 2025 sa Probox TV Event Center, Plant City, Florida ay muling may naghamon sa ating bida. Si Dormedes Potis ng Colombia ay ang pinakamaangas at pinakamatangkad na boksingero nila. Pero katulad ng mga naunang boksingero, round 3 lang din ang itinagal niya sa bagito nating bida.
In the purple and white
Both is trying to clinch, but taking punches in return. Both is trying to be physical and smart.